Welcome Altcoin Buzz Army. I am your host Zach with Passive Income 101, and today we are taking a look at Neo staking. Now if you don't know what proof of stake is or what staking is, take a quick look at the previous video I did and you will see staking is in fact a great way to increase your crypto income passively, and we are going to be looking specifically at Neo today. So what is Neo in general? Neo is an open network like Ethereum to build decentralized apps and decentralized products on, and it's a great project out there. It's very popular in Asia currently, and it could be the sort of Asian Ethereum, and it is quite a large coin. It's up there in terms of market cap. If we look at all the cryptocurrencies, you can see that it's number 16 with a market cap of 584 million currently. It's been doing well in the last 7 days, but that may mean that it will go down in the short term. We do not know. Of course, this isn't financial advice, but you can see that it's a top 20 cryptocurrency, so it's pretty well respected and well known. So let's talk about staking Neo. So you can stake Neo, and what you get is Neo gas, and it's sort of a similar it's a coin on the Neo network that Neo have created, and here it is at 126.25 million market cap at $2.50, about 3 or 4 times less than the coin than the Neo coin itself. So gas is sort of like their utility coin, so you use it for investing in ICOs, etc., and it can be used for smart contracts. So it's a different coin, but it's basically a Neo coin as well, just the utility side of the coin. And if you stake your Neo, you will get gas, and we can expect, as Neo goes up in value, so will gas. So it's a great way of making passive income with your Neo. There is no need for you at all to keep your Neo without staking it if you are holding it long term. Of course, if you are trading it, it's a very different question. However, if you are holding your Neo long term, you do not want to not be staking it. That is the takeaway from this. And we're going to show you very easily how to stake your Neo. But first of all, let's look at neotogas.com. So you calculate how much gas you'll make in a year from this website. So I've currently just bought about 13.5 Neo for this video, and you can see that 14 Neos, so they just do it by rounding I suppose, is $120 currently, and per year you can expect 1.98 gas. So a theory ROI of 4.11%, but the actual ROI as 3.27%, so 1.57 gas. Now it doesn't seem like a lot, but in fact it's infinitely more than zero. So anything that's more than zero is infinitely more than zero, so it's a lot better than just holding it in your wallet. And you've got to think about the long term. In 5 years time, how much will that 1.57 gas actually be worth? Will it still be at $2.5? I do not think so. I mean, I am not a financial advisor, remember that, but I don't think it's going to be staying there at all. So we are going to see how you can actually do this, and it's very simple, and everyone should do it if you are holding it long term, as I've said. All you need to do is come to neonwallet.com, and you need to download the wallet that corresponds with your operating system. So I'm on Mac currently, so we'll download this wallet and we'll go through the process. So once you've downloaded it, you want to install it onto your applications. If you're on Windows, of course, it will be a different route, but it's very simple. If you've ever downloaded and installed any other app, it's the exact same method. So here you have it. You open Neon and you get to choose what you want to do. If you've got a saved wallet, that's when you want to put your username and password in there. If you've got a private key, you can put your private key in there or scan the QR. If you've got an encrypted key, you can put that in. Or if you've got a Ledger Nano S, you can connect that as well. And we're going to run through that after we've created our wallet. So you press create wallet, and you choose a wallet name. So I'm just going to put Zach passive income 101. Then you choose a passphrase. I'm going to skip to the next part so you don't see my passphrase. So then it takes you to this page where it shows you your private key and your public address. So you want to copy your private key and you want to copy your public address or print them out and make sure that they are saved safely, because otherwise someone could either hack them or they could remove someone could either hack them or they could take all your NEO and all your gas from your wallet, and you do not want that to happen. So then once it's created, you come back to this page here and you log on. So there you are, and I will put in my password and we will be on very soon. So you log in right there. You should be taken to this screen here. So it shows you so much detail about NEO. So it shows you the amount of assets you have here. Shows you this is my receiving public address here. Make sure that you do not give your private address away to anyone. And the market data, so where NEO's been the last 24 hours, or you can change this here to a month, to a week, or whatever you want to do. So you can see that, you know, a week ago it was in $7.70 and now it's going up to the $9 area. And you can also see your activity, no activity, send, receive, the contacts you have, token sale. You'll need to transfer compatible NEP5 assets to receive. So that's NEO assets, voting, and you have your settings down here below. So there you want to probably encrypt your key, and you want to keep it into whatever currency you want. Put the theme, the sound on, block explorer in the network, so you want to be on the mainnet most likely, but then you come back to the wallet. So then once you've messed with all your settings, you want to come back here and you want to receive your NEO. So you want to send it back to here. So you want to copy that image there and you want to go to your exchange, whatever exchange you're on, and you want to send it to this address. I mean, you can buy NEO on Binance, on nearly all the exchanges out there, because it's such a big coin and a very popular coin, so it's very easy to find it. If you have a Binance account, I'd recommend going and buying it. So buy NEO, withdraw it to this address, and you're good to go. I'll rejoin you once my assets have arrived. So here we are back, and I have received my NEO into the wallet, and you can already see that the gas is starting to come in. I've already earned 0.00034, and you can see it just went up then, and you receive the latest blockchain information. So that is great, and it will get going as soon as you get the wallet going. And you can see my public address up there. You can see the token balances, you can see the token wallet value, and you can see how much of it is NEO and how much of it will become gas. So this is very easy to do, very easy to do, and anyone can do it, and you should do it if you are holding NEO long term. A way of making passive income in the crypto space, and it is a brilliant way of doing so. Now we're going to also do one more thing. We're going to show you how to set it up with the Ledger Nano S. So if you even want that more security, then you will set it up this way as well. So what you want to do is you want to close your Neon wallet, and then you want to go here to Ledger and navigate to the Neo app in your device. If you've got your Ledger connected like I have, this should come up. If you haven't, you'll need to connect your Ledger to your computer. So you navigate to the Neo app on your device and you go onto it. And then you log in and it should work, and it comes up on your Ledger with a message that says wake up Neo. Just leave that for a second and press log in. So now you will see that you come onto your Ledger here, and it shows you how much you have in your Ledger and whether you can claim gas. And you can go onto here and you can manage your wallets there, and you can also see the public address for this wallet here, and you can copy that and you can send and receive. So it's basically the exact same thing. You just log in with your ledger, and it will show you your private and your public address. It will show you your private address on your Ledger Nano, and it will show you public address here, so you can send and receive them, and that will add an extra layer of security to your staking. And it's a brilliant feature of the Neon wallet, and that's why I love Neo staking so much, because it integrates with this so well. It integrates with security, and it's very instant, and you can see that you gain gas very quickly. So that's all I've got time for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Neo staking video. I hope you managed to stake some of your Neo and gain a lot of gas in the process, and that will be perfect. It's another passive income tip from Zach. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to Altcoin Buzz, become a member of the Altcoin Buzz army, and click that notification bell to get notified whenever I or anyone else in the Altcoin Buzz army releases a new video. Thanks again, guys. Zach over and out.